I'm Kila. Welcome to Tagalog for Kids. Today, I'm going to teach you the location of objects. And before anything else, when these words are used in a sentence, you need the preposition nasa. Nasa indicates location. Okay, let's start. Let me introduce you to my car and this book. This is a book or libro. This is a car or kotse. On or ibabaw. Ibabaw. Where is the book? Nasaan ang libro? It's on the car or nasa ibabaw ng kotse. Nasa ibabaw. Next is under or ilalim. Ilalim. Nasaan ang libro? Where's the book? It's under the car, nasa ilalim ng kotse. Nasa ilalim. Next is beside or tabi. Tabi. Nasaan ang libro? Where is the book? It's beside the car or nasa tabi ng kotse. Nasa tabi. Next is in or inside or loob. Nasaan ang libro? Or where is the book? It's in the car or nasa loob ng kotse. Nasa loob. Out or outside or labas. Where is the book? Or nasaan ang libro? It's outside the car or nasa labas ng kotse. Nasa labas. Behind or at the back, likod. Where is the book? Or nasaan ang libro? It's behind the car or nasa likod ng kotse. Nasa likod. Front or harap? Harap. Where is the book? Or nasaan ang libro? It's in front of the car or nasa harap ng kotse. Nasa harap. Alright, I hope you learned something today. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notifications bell so you'll be the first to see our videos. Bye-bye. Drive away, car. Bye-bye.